Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are perfectly fine. In this video, we're going to learn why LG washing machine not spinning and making loud noises and what to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. The LG washing machine is not spinning and making a loud noise during the spin cycle due to an issue with the rotor and stator assembly. Based on the search results, remember, the rotor, which is connected to the drum shaft, appears to be loose and not properly engaging with the stator. This is causing the grinding noise and preventing the drum from spinning properly. So, let us learn how to fix this issue. Fix 1. Diagnosis. Stop the washing machine and disconnect the power. Remove the back assess panel to assess the rotor and stator assembly. Inspect the rotor and check if it is loose on the drum shaft. The shaft and rotor spinals should be properly engaged. Fix 2. Repair. If the rotor is loose, tighten the bolt nut securing it with the drum shaft. Ensure the rotor is properly aligned and engaged with the stator. If the rotor or stator components are damaged, they may need to be replaced. Fix 3. Preventing measures. Avoid overloading the washing machine, as this can put excessive strain on the components and lead to parameteral failure. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation load size and cycle setting to prolong the life of the washing machine. Last, by addressing the loose rotor and ensuring proper engagement with the stator, the loud noise and failure to spin should be resolved. In the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is informative for you and you will get the solution of your problem. Please do subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos.